All right, I have a bunch of these of this product here. Got these from Office Depot. These are 3-tab fastener files. Look like this. They're legal size manila. They're just office products. Okay. Looks like they're 50 bucks or something. I don't know if I'd pay 50 bucks for this. All right, so I want to make an Amazon. There's no Amazon webpage for this product. I need to make one so I can list it on Amazon. So first thing I want to do, find the product. Wherever you get it from, Walmart, Home Depot, whatever. Just go to the big box retailer's website or your supplier's website, and then search. You can probably just search for, that UPC code or the item number, because there's an item number on here. So okay, I found the product. Okay, what is this product? It's a reinforced manila folder with 2 embossed fasteners, 1/3 cut tabs, legal size, box of 50. This is probably the most important thing here. Don't look at the brand. Like, what is the actual tangible product? Reinforced manila folder with 2 embossed fasteners. Okay, so I'm just going to take this, let's copy it. And I went on Amazon and I just, you just paste it in here. And here are all the products that are essentially this Office Depot product. So I mean, boom, right from the get-go, I see SMED fastener file folder, Pendaflex, essentially this product. So the reason I want to look at these is because I want to do a reverse ASIN search. So what's a reverse ASIN search? It's essentially finding, if you type in the ASIN into JungleScout search, it will give you all the keywords that are used to find that ASIN or that product page. So what you're going to do, log into JungleScout, and then let's go to product research and product database. I'm sorry, keywords, and then keyword scout. Okay, let's get a couple of these from Amazon. Let's get a couple of these. So we have our product from Office Depot. Let's get a couple of the same products from Amazon. So I'm just gonna start taking these ASINs. So we'll get this SMED one. We'll take this Pendaflex one. Take this Pendaflex one, looks relevant. Probably want to get like 5 of these or 10. Let's do 5. This looks relevant. And what about this one? This one looks relevant as well. Okay, so we're going to do a search here now. So we're doing a reverse ASIN search. So we're going to find all the keywords that it takes to find these, those popular products. These are popular, high-selling products. They have good ratings and everything. So if they're doing well, we want to search whatever keywords or we want to use their keywords, because then, we can do well, or our product page will do well as well. All right, so here's all the competitors, highlighted ASINs. So these are the terms people are using under this keyword column. And let's limit our search to 500 searches a month, so we don't have to get, all the more, we can get the best of these keywords. Okay, we've got 47 keywords here, and here they all are. And so what we're gonna want to do is let's go ahead and select all these, and then add keyword to list. Let's make a list. We'll call these Manila Legal Folder. This is going to be our keyword list. So we're going to create, and add. So now we have our keyword list. So that's great. Now what we need to do next is we need to build our web page. So we're going to go to listing builder, go to keywords, and then okay. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to create new listing, and we're going to draft a listing. Don't do the start with any ASIN. We'll draft a brand new one. Okay, so what is what is my keyword? I'm using a Manila folder. Is that right? Okay, so we're gonna do Manila legal folder. Looks like I already had a list, but let's just do Manila. Let's just select the list that I made earlier. Okay, so all of our keywords show up on this left side. So what we're gonna want to do is I'm just gonna go here and copy this title from the manufacturer website. Let's paste it in here. So Amazon always wants the brand name. You need in your, you can see my other video on this, but product titles, they need to have the brand name at the beginning of the product of the listing, and then you say what the product is, and then you say how, the specifics and how many quantity at the end of it, or at the end of this main string. So let's see. I'm gonna test out JungleScout's AI feature. Let's see what we get. Let's see if we get anything here. Okay, so I got an upgraded version of my original product title. This looks okay. So it says box of 50 for file filing cabinet. Let me zoom in here. Okay, let's replace this. But it says here perfect for 8.5 by 11 letter size. Let's just get rid of that because these are legal size. Okay, so I think that's good. All right, let's generate some bullet points here, and then let's ask it also to generate a product description. All right, let's see what we have here. Classification folders. These folders come with 2 embossed prongs to keep your documents. Okay, this looks good. Let's add that in there. We can add that in there. It looks good. These are pretty good. Now I think the biggest thing here is you're going to want to check this description, make sure it makes sense and it's not including a bunch of random stuff that's not applicable. So I'll go ahead and replace. I don't have anything here, so let's go ahead and put this in here, and then I need to look at this. So right off the bat, it made an error here. It says it's 8.5 by 11, so it's not 8.5 by 11. This is legal size. So double check this. And then it's saying the reinforced manila paper material not only ensures maximum durability, but also makes it easy to organize files into colors. These do come in a bright yellow that stands out from traditional office colors. It's not bright yellow. Let's just say a color. So yeah, I mean it's not bright yellow. It's just manila. So you have to edit some of these and make sure that it's not just like saying stuff that's not right. I have a prompt in ChatGPT that is more conservative than and helps avoid some of these issues. So of the keywords I had from Keyword Scout, let me move my head here. So of these keywords I have, so it's pulling in Pendaflex file folder and SMED, it looks like somewhere. Looks like it's pulling in competitors, and you're not I'd have to based on my understanding of Amazon product page creations, you're not supposed to include competitors' names in at least the backend search terms. I don't know about the description, but I don't think this is allowed to include these here. It doesn't make any sense either. It's designed to fit legal documents, making them perfect for SMED file folders, Pendaflex folders, classification folders. Yeah, so this doesn't make a lot of sense. So yeah, this is kind of like I almost prefer having my own prompts. Oh, where can I put myself here? I guess I'll put myself up here. I kind of almost prefer having my own prompts because I can control the AI assistant or the AI what this thing produces. All right, what's going on here? Okay, so okay, backend search terms. Let's see. Can we let's check this thing. I think this checking this box atomizes out all of the keywords. Okay, and then backend search term. So we want to fill in these. Can I copy this? Let's see, copy. Don't tell me it copies every single thing I've already used. Okay, so I don't get it. Yeah, I don't understand. So I don't understand why JungleScout thinks that when I want to copy something from here, it's gonna paste words I've already used. So yeah, not too impressed with that. But anyways, I need to reduce the number of characters here. So let's see. I think I have file folders already taken care of up above. I need to take out these. I think I take out office folders. So yeah, you want to go and filter some of these um, extra words here. Okay, so it looks like I've trimmed down. I've trimmed down my backend search terms. Okay, so it looks like I've finished making my listing here. So this looks pretty good. Oh, I forgot to click that. Okay. Okay, so I have now created my listing. And let's go ahead and create this page in Seller Central. So I'm going to want to go to Seller Central, or, put me over here. Let's go ahead to add products. Add a product here. Okay, what is my product UPC code? Let's take a look. 73585483801 or 041. Okay, I need to copy this because this thing asks for my UPC code 50 times every minute. So copy it. Okay, let me just put this here so I don't lose it. All right, so this is, what is this thing? Manila folder with fasteners. Looks like this one. Okay, so I selected the category that the product is, and then this page will come up, and then it's gonna start asking for all the product information. So I like to turn on all attributes so I can see everything. Hmm. I've had sometimes it's like more work to copy from another ASIN, but let's see it because I think this can get tedious sometimes. So let's say we take, this SMED fastener file folder looks like it's almost the exact same product. It looks almost identical. So let's go ahead and see if we can copy a lot of the legwork from this listing. We go to all attributes. Let's take a look. So product details. Okay, great. We have a lot of this stuff already filled out. So that's really good. I like that. So sometimes I think you could save a lot of time if you just copy from another ASIN that is pretty much the same product but just under a different brand name. Okay, let's go paste our stuff in here. I'm gonna copy this, press this copy button, and then paste it in here. Boy, what's this? I don't know what happened there. I'm gonna just copy this straight up because that's not working out. Okay. What's our brand name? Office Depot. Paste it in here. Okay, we're using a UPC code. And I'm gonna take our UPC code I just put right here. Paste it in here. So lots of copy pasting. Okay, vital info. Let's take a look. So this is all gonna be information that we created back here. So we're going to paste in our product description. We will paste in our feature 1. We will paste in feature 2. Whoa. And all I'm doing is I'm just clicking here, push Control A and then Control V. So it just selects all in that text box and then copies and pastes it. So select all and then press V. All right, feature 4, select all, Control C to copy. Come here, select all, Control A, and then Control V. Okay, our last one here. Okay, this one is just too long. What's going on here? It's just 244 characters. Okay, there we go. I just shortened that down. It's Control C, and then back in here, Control V. Model number. Okay, we might need some help from the original page here. So we go specs. Let's just take these. So model number and then manufacturer is Office Depot. It's not SMED. We gotta fix that. Okay, offer. We're just making the page. We're not selling it. All right, fine. 57.99. It's pretty important that you get that right because I think that might impact what Amazon sees as a fair price. So make sure you put in don't just guess here. And if you guess, at least be accurate. Okay. Your price, we could just say 50 bucks. And we're gonna say it's new. And make sure you put 0 as a quantity because we're not selling anything. We're just creating the SKU in I'm sorry. don't know why I thought I was putting this in the right place. The sale price, do not fill it in sale price. Fill it in here. List price is what we need to be putting in. The sale price. Get rid of that. Okay. And then you want to put, I will ship this out of myself. Okay, let's go look at product details. We're just going down the line here. Generic keywords, so we're gonna go back to JungleScout. We have our backend search terms here. Wow, what happened here? Yeah, not very good software rollout. I'm just gonna go fix this myself. I'm just gonna ask ChatGPT to clean this up. Space all these keywords that got crunched together. Okay, so it's just gonna do it for me. And then back to Amazon. Paste it in here. Style, number of items, part number. Fill in this here. Paper size. Paper size is legal. Gotta watch out for that. And then if you ever get these asterisks, we gotta fill in the information. Okay, looks very good. Are these really 2-inch? 2-inch fasteners? Okay, they are 2-inch fasteners. Very good. Okay. Oh boy, safety and compliance. I think these are from China. Okay, now it's asking me for weight. I don't know about that. I should probably fill in all this information. So we just do this once. Okay, this thing says it's 5 pounds. And then I got a tape measure here. So let's see, 16 by 10.5 by 2.5. 16 by 10.5 by 2.5. Oh, it doesn't even ask me. Okay. Okay, let's get rid of this. I don't know what the recycled content is. Okay. Okay, I thought they were going to ask me the whole package dimensions and everything. I guess I can do that later. Okay, so now we need to add our pictures. Let's see. Do we have any pictures here? Okay, we're going to finish this. I just uploaded my picture. I just took this picture and then I edited it in Photo Room. So I think we're all done here, and then I can go ahead and save and finish. All right, and then this will be live in a little bit. All right, so I just made the web page, and this is what it looks like. Looks great. Got my key features, have my nice title, solid picture here. No Keepa data because this is brand new. You're not going to have any Keepa data. Uploaded today, has all these informations. Looks great. Oh man,